we're thinking about now. We're going to go to the dynasty. We got a match 2 1/4. Big 2 1/4 now. We're going to go 50 now. We're going to go 2 1/4 now. We're going to go 50. So 2 1/4, 80.99. Put the volume up, please. Put me in form. I'm going to go put it on the money now. Just be careful. You're in at 6 up the wire. Good sit down. I'm going to go 6 1/4. Good sit down. I'm going to go 6 1/4. Last call. Gotta go. Sold $600.
4855.
4855.
Could have won that one. OG wouldn't say that. Now I would have probably grabbed that one.
Hyundai Sonata got a few miles. Come look at it. 6, open the doors. Is that Park, driver? Put it on the money now. We're thinking about now. We're going to go. Let's go. Come check it out. Put it on the money.
Oh, me. There's no lights on it.
450 now, I'm going to go 475. You're in at 450. I'm going to go 450 now, I'm going to go 475. Got it, now 5. I'm going to go 5 now, I'm going to go 5 1/4. I'm going to go 5 1/2, 5 1/2, 5 1/2, 575. I'm going to go 575, now 6. I'm going to go 6 1/4. I'm going to go 650, 675, 675, 650 now, I'm going to go 675, you're in at 650, James. I'm going to go 650 now, I'm going to go 675. Anybody interested in that for $100? Put it on the money now. We're thinking about now. We're going to go. Let's go. I'm going to go 5 now. I'm going to go 6 $600. I'm going to go 5 now. I'm going to go 6 down. I'm going to go $600. Got it, now 6. Six and a quarter now, 50. I'm going to put all in our game. Last call. Last call. Last call. So 6 and a quarter. Hey folks, listen, I'll get you there.
Can you dodge it? Huh? Can you dodge it?
That's what I'm saying.
We're thinking about here. We're thinking about now. We're going to go 97. GMC Silverado. Shortbread, Master. What's a shortbread?
It's clean.
Big shortbread extra cup.
925.
Big game fish off. Catch a ball. You think Will let us borrow this?
Go to Mexico, baby. Go to Mexico.
Hey, Moose, at 95, this was the shit. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Is this the hard body? Is this the hard body? This is called the hard body. Hey, say hi to the people. It's Johnny from LA. Jerry's in the crowd.
You won that white one? You won the white one?
Yeah.
Yeah? How much was it?
$600.
That was a deal.
I think so.
Yeah, that was a deal.
Get a wheel. I don't know if it's in the back.
Oh, it's got, it does have a donut on it. Yeah, yeah. No, it's a good buy though. $600.
I think so.
That shit's good.
What did you say, Dave?
Said he wants to touch your privates.
The fuck? 06 Lincoln Airless, no check engine light.
Got the best dress. 7 now with the quarter. I'm going to put 7 now with the quarter. Now I'm going to go 7 now with the quarter. And then all down. I'm going to sell the car. Sold $700. Sold $700. You got.
No bullshit. He just invented Bluetooth and Amazon. Yeah. In the same week. What happened?
We talked about my mom again.
I know. She's the same. My grandma.
It's up to you. Last call. Last call. 450.
666 shares. Not the Ozzy, huh? Why your boy Ozzy canceled? Huh? Why your boy Ozzy
Rebuilt title. 03 Chevy. Is that a short bed, Ashton? What's up a short bed? Short bed?
Looks like it.
Good short bed, extra cab automatic. Done. 6 or 850.
Up!
1175.
Up!
$1,200. $1,275. I'm going to go 1175. I'm going to go 12. I'm going to do 1175. I'm going to go 12. I got 1175 to the right. 1175. Lot of truck. 1175. I'm going to go 12. I'm going to do 1175. I'm going to do 12 on the way out. I'm going to do 1175. I'm going to go 12. I'm going to do 1175. I'm going to go 12. 1175. I'm going to go 12. Got it. I'm going to do 12 and a quarter. I'm going to go 12.50. I'm going to do 12 and a quarter. I'm going to go 50. I'm going to do 12 and a quarter. I'm going to go 50. I don't know. Don't sound the truck. 12 and a quarter. I'm going to go 50. Last call. 12 and a quarter. I'm going to go 50. Go once. 12 and a quarter. Now I'm going to go 50. Go twice. Last call. So 12 and a quarter. What are you thinking about here?
Right.
Last call. Down the road. So 825.
What is
Yeah.
Check it out. I'm not going to sell it. Check it out. I don't have to sell these things. I can't get in the road without selling. You can probably pick that up in Texas for $800-900. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about? $2,000 Honda quote. I'm going to go for a 25 last car. I'm not done. So $300. Star of the show.
They fixed this one up though. You couldn't even get in it a couple of days ago. Damn, you gonna need a back window and everything. Hell yeah, it looked like somebody threw up in this motherfucker.
Hey, don't take that off.
Somebody lost their license. Not in the mall.